Today is a great day. Let's start by grabbing our cutting board and knife. Before eat fruit, you should be clean with the water. They're nice and clean when we go to eat them. That should be good. The first fruit that we are going to use is this green melon. We need to cut it into twice, which means 2 pieces that are the same equal. This is orange. This fruit is so tasty and delicious. We need to cut it into twice, which means 2 pieces that are the same equal. Here is one. We all know a strawberry. If strawberry are too sour for you, you can try them with a little bit of sugar. Let's cut this one into 2 equal pieces. There we go, banana. But you don't have to be a monkey to enjoy banana. We cut this one in half, which means 2 equal pieces. Does anybody know what this is? This is grapes. This is so tasty and delicious fruit. We need to cut it into twice, which means 2 pieces. This is guava. Guava tastes a bit like apple, but they are a little softer and usually a bit sweeter. Let's cut this one into 2 equal pieces. You can see inside of guava. How many seeds in the inside? Does anybody know what this is? It is a watermelon. Since this is a big fruit, we're going to cut it into 2 again. That way we have 2 similar pieces. This is so tasty and delicious fruit. Alright, there we go, pineapple. This is pineapple. Pineapple, a fruit that grows in tropical areas around the world. Let's cut our pineapple into 2 equal pieces. Does anybody know what this is? It is a cashew nut apple. This is so tasty and delicious fruit. We need to cut it into twice, which means 2 pieces that are the same in size. There we go, apple. But you don't have to be a bird to enjoy an apple. We cut this one in half, which means 2 equal pieces.